How to make iPhone turn sideways. To get started, first of all go to your iPhone home screen. Over here, swipe down on the screen from the top right corner to open the Control Center. The Control Center provides quick access to frequently used settings and apps. Over here, tap on the portrait orientation lock icon to toggle it off. When it is turned off, the screen is no longer locked in portrait orientation and is free to rotate. Now, go back and open up the Safari app again. Go to any website. For example, apple.com. And then, simply turn your iPhone sideways to check if you can view the screen in landscape mode. As you can see, the screen rotates sideways. Following these steps, you can easily make iPhone turn sideways. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.